We want to make sure that you're very clear that we are here for you. Not only are you going to get daily briefings that we bring you up to date on what is really happening, scientifically happening, not what politicians are telling you, but also we have our online offerings, mini courses that will instantaneously, on the spot, give you tools and knowledge and wisdom and, most important, inspiration to help yourself and your loved ones. Also, since we are fully opened and people are here from several countries from around the world using this as the epicenter of refuge, we have the immune boosting program, the transformative 3-week immune boosting program, or the shorter 2-week or 1-week program. You can call our program counselors and they can discuss that with you or look at it online. So again, don't feel alone. Use us as a support, as almost parental figures at this time of insanity, confusion, and unfortunate events.
Yeah, we are a free zone. This is not coming in here. And of course, the way that we live here, the lifestyle that we teach, the things that we use to clean, and our hygiene is top notch. And it's top notch for people coming here, taking care, doing saunas, doing steam baths. Our pools have no chlorine. It's fantastic. You never get an infection here. And you know, this is our promise to you. So it's a very safe place, but it's safe for the soul. And I think that's the most important right now, that we feel safe.
Yes, Anna Marie and I just spent this morning 3 hours, by the way, in the gym with all of the guests that are here, and spent about 30 minutes in the sauna and steam bath. Be well.
Yeah.
Smile.
Yes.
It gives a whole lot more health than being
We send you our love.
upset and frowning. Bye-bye now.